Welcome to this StayPrivate tutorial. In this video we will be going over how to send a e-sign attachment with an email. First, when composing your email, if you input the email address you would like to send to, then go down to the Secure Mail app in the bottom right corner and click on this. Once you're in here, you can add the subject to your email and make sure that the tick box for encrypt message content is enabled and click on encrypt. After this, you can attach the attachment you would like to send with the e-sign. Once this is attached, after the subject, if you type in hashtag e-sign followed by the name of the document, this will then allow the document to be sent with a e-sign request. Once this is done, you can click on send and this will send your email securely with the e-sign request for the document.